Hey there, just a quick vid to show you a comparison between an AC water pump and a DC water pump. There's the solar panel connection over to the wires, and then right there outside the door. That's a DC pump. You can see because of the fat cord, I can't really leave this running very long. This, by the way, is just the middle of a plastic 2-liter bottle. It worked good for the small lid stand. This pump, by the way, will run any of my solar projects that I use an AC power pump for. It's only $10 on Amazon.